Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I know I haven't made a video in a while, and that's because I've been traveling back and forth to Atlanta for my job. Um, but I am still bearish. I'm getting absolutely fucked on my Tesla puts. I still have up until like June-ish, so I'm not worried. Still holding. I'm down about 60% on those calls. So I am down about I think my position was 37K um, initially, and I'm down about like $20,000, 25K. I'm like 60% down, 70%, but I'm still holding. If I end up taking the loss, I'll show you guys anyway, so it's fine. But that won't happen for another couple months. Um, but I wanted to show you guys the simple reason why I'm still bearish and why this is textbook. Um, you know, it's just textbook retest, right? So this is simplest TA that I can show you, right? You were on an uptrend from October, right? Uptrend, came down, came up, came down to trend, broke that trend, right? And now you're retesting up here, right? And the next logical level for us is actually right down back to 380 for SPY. So really, this is the only thing that I can see. And not only that, but this is actually what I would consider essentially a almost, you know, a perfect head and shoulders pattern that is playing out right now, because I really doubt. Let me move this to the back. This order sent to back, right? Essentially, what's going on is you have a perfect head and shoulders pattern also right here playing out, and I really don't think that you're gonna go back up above trend, because if you do, that is extremely, extremely bearish and cancel out everything that I said, and I will 100% take the big L on Tesla, right? If we come up back up above this trend, that's insanely bullish, bro. And I'll admit my loss, but as of right now, you are perfectly retesting this level, right? You broke this huge down uptrend from October, broke it, coming back up to retest. As of right now, my target on the SPY is 380. I actually think we topped on Friday, so I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.